welcome to the table. That is the theme of the US space. Welcome to the table, all right? If this is your first time at the US space, you heard the music playing, there's always a vibe here. When we're on the other side working, you might see 15, 20 ladies and men doing their work, and we just burst into song because the song came on that we all like, right? It's a vibe. We're getting some work done most of the time, all right? But we're also gonna have a good time and welcome community.
The US space. I want to talk about this space. Every time I come, like the last time I came in here, I was like, okay. And I came back in here and I said, what did they do with this space? I want you to talk about how you guys maximize the space, the use of this space as a collaborative, effort for what you guys are doing in each and one of your endeavors.
We've been able to utilize this space for our Black Entrepreneurs Weeks, year after year. As well as, where we brought in Black at Microsoft and had, tech talks, engaging in, women entrepreneurs that are out there. And one thing that I would say, one, it's a beautiful space. And there's...
because she really makes you feel at home. And so not only is it a space where you can collectively get together with others to build ideas, but it's also a place where you can build community as well.